Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox CP Plus video door phone. The model number of CP Plus video door phone is CP UVK-701A. So let us start with the unboxing. As you can see in the box, we are provided with one outdoor unit and one indoor unit. So this is the indoor unit and this is the outdoor unit. Also it is having one cable at the back to connect it with the indoor unit. In the box we are provided another box which are having accessories in it. So let us see what accessories we are getting with this kit. First of all, we are provided with outdoor unit bracket for mounting it outside. Similarly, we are having one bracket for the indoor unit for mounting it inside the house. One QSG is provided with this for the better understanding of the product and its connectivity. These are some of the screws which are provided for the mounting of the bracket, that is for the indoor as well as for the outdoor brackets. Similarly, these large two screws are provided for the indoor unit. If you are having some less space inside the house for the mounting, you can just use these two screws to mount it on the wall. These are the wire nut connectors for the connections of the wires. This is one Allen key which is provided for the outdoor unit. As you can see, this is a 6 mm screw which is provided for the outdoor unit bracket to connect with the outdoor. So we need to use only this 6 mm screw over here with the outdoor unit and use this Allen key to tighten it. So it is screwed up. And also one important point, that is, never use these screws. These are the 20 mm screws and this is the 30 mm screw which is provided for the bracket mounting, not for this outdoor unit. So you need to use only this 6 mm screw. Otherwise, if you are going to use this screw, then it will damage the outdoor unit.